Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to do smooth shake transition on CapCut. So let's get started. So first, go to your first clip. Now add a keyframe at the start and at the end of the clip. Now on the last keyframe, zoom in a little bit. Then head over to the second clip. Now add a keyframe at the start and at the end of the clip. Then go to the start keyframe and zoom in a little bit. Then just have to repeat that for all clips. Now head over to Effects and look for Blur under Lens. Now adjust the length of it to about halfway of the clip. And after that, go to the starting point of the effect and add a keyframe. Now set the blur to 100. Then go to the middle of the effect and set the blur down to 40. Now go to the end of the effect and set the blur to 0. Now once you're done with that, you're gonna go ahead and duplicate this effect 3 times. Alright, now head over to Effects again. Then look for Shake under Nightclub. Now adjust the length of the effect. Adjust it to about the middle of the blur effect. Now after that, head over to the beginning of the effect and add a keyframe. Now set the speed to 100. Then head over to the middle of the clip. Now set the intensity to 30. Now head over to the last part of the clip and set both the speed and intensity to 0. Now click on the first clip, then click on Animations. Head over to Out and select Fade Out and set it to 0.1. Now head over to Overlay, Library, and search up White. Click on Type, then click Photos. Select this one, then Add. Now zoom in and make sure it covers up the whole screen. Then adjust the length of it. Make sure it's about halfway of the clip. After that, click on Splice, then Overlay. And finally, head over to Animations, Out, then select Fade Out, and adjust it to the very maximum. All you have to do now is do this on every clip, and you're done. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.